Why rhizobium species are called nitrogen fixing bacteria? Why? মানে নাইট্ৰজেন ফিক্সিং ব্যাকটেৰিয়া বুলি ৰাইজোবিয়ামক কিয় কোৱা হয়? কি হ'ব এনসাৰটো? The most important symbiotic answer will be the most important symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria is rhizobium species. Okay, so next species of rhizobium inhabit different leguminous plants. For example, R means rhizobium. Rhizobium leguminoserium, the name of bacteria, infects soybean, etc. Number 2, the develop. Hello. Again, number 2, they develop root nodules and fix atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia in symbiotic association with leguminous plant. মই যেটো ফাইল সেন্ড কৰাইছো হেটো অকমান ডিসকাস কৰাই দিছো হা তোমালোকক। Okay, so ইয়াতে কি কৈছে in that answer how they fix nitrogen in their body. So এইখিনি কথা ইয়াতে আছে হা। তো নাম্বার 2 কি কলে the develop root nodules and fix atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia in symbiotic association with leguminous plants. Means they fix atmospheric nitrogen. You know that again that atmospheric nitrogen convert into ammonia. How? In symbiotic association. Okay, symbiotic association means they how they live? কেনেকে থাকে কোত থাকে ইহতে? Where rhizobium species live? Kot? Root nodules of leguminous plant, হয় না নাই? And that process is known as symbiotic association. Because rhizobium space is dependent on that leguminous plant. So that process is known as symbiotic association. Clear? Bujisa? Hello? Hello students, symbiotic association, any confusion? No ma'am. Again, number 4, a part of its nitrogen is diffused out into the surrounding. You already know that when a leguminous plant mixed with that soil, then the nitrogen particle or nitrogen mixed with that soil. Then the soil become fertile for better crop production. So next question, how lactic acid bacteria help in the production of dairy products? How lactic acid bacteria help in the production of dairy products? মানে dairy product or production the formation keneke help koribo lactic acid bacteria? How they can help? Answer, lactic acid bacteria like lactobacillus are added to milk. It converts lactose sugars of milk into lactic acid. So when a lactic acid bacteria you added in a milk, then the lactose sugars of the milk, then it converts lactose sugars of the milk into lactic acid. Mean মানে কি হয় lactic acid bacteria add কৰাৰ লগে লগে কি হ'ব গাখীৰৰ যেটো তোমাৰ lactose sugar থাকিব এটো কি হলে convert হ'ব the lactose sugar converted into where lactic acid. Again, lactic acid causes coagulation and partial digestion of milk protein casein. Casein or digest koribo. Again, milk is changed into curd, yogurt, and cheese. The starter or inoculum used in the preparation of milk products actually contains millions of LAB. So, answer to kihar notor logot same hoy tumalage likhiba ha. Bujila beleg ekko dia nai same hoy notor logot ji asile. Again, number 3, important question as a short note hisabe dibo pare tumalok exam ot. So number A, short notes for marks 5 marks or 3 marks ha এইখিনিতে আহিব. Number A, microbes in industrial product. মানে how microbes used in industrial product. So here likhiba number 1 2 3 ji disilu. Number 1, microbes are Microscopic organism. Okay, answer of question 3. How microbes used in industrial product or microbes in industrial product? So number 1, microbes are microscopic organisms. They are used in many large scale industrial processes. Again, they produce chemicals such as ethanol, which is used as a fuel, solvent, and for many other purposes, as well as glycerol, a common metabolite in food and medicine, and a number of other chemicals. So, in point number 1, there are many products which are produced from microbes. Okay, give you some example of product that are produced from microbes. Again, number 2, microbes are also used in a process called bioleaching, in which bacteria leach metals such as iron and manganese from soil and sewage. Bioleaching can send sediment structure as well as create the potential to control water flow in aquifer and produce biomaterials of commercial value. So number 2, about bioleaching process. In that process also, microbes are what? Microbes can help in that process. Name bioleaching. Okay, again, what happened in bioleaching process? What happened? In which bacteria leach metals such as iron and manganese from soil and sewage. Bioleaching can send sediment structure. So last class we discussed about the sediment, right? Sediment কি আছিলে কৈছিলো না last class কৈছিলো না? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Last
ma'am.
class we already discussed about the sediment. So what is sediment structure? What is sediment structure? Where it found? ক'ত থাকে আৰু কি হয়নো sediment? Which is related to bioleaching process, because bioleaching can sense all sediment structure as well as create the potential to control water flow in aquifer and produce biomaterials for commercial value. What? So what about that process? Hello, what is sediment structure? কি কৈছিল? বহুত easily explain কৰিছিল। কি আছিলে? Who can tell me what is sediment structure? Hello? কি আছিলে sediment? কোনে পাৰিবা ক'বলে? Sorry. Number 3, microbes, especially fungi, are useful as biofertilizer by making nutrients more available to plants and increasing crop growth and yield. Microbes are useful in medicine as well. Recombinant DNA technology alters bacteria to create medications such as synthetic insulin for diabetic patients. So what? Microbes, especially fungi. Fungi are also microbes, so they help in the process. They used as a biofertilizer by making nutrients more available to plants and increasing crop growth and yield. So they help in the better crop development process.